We begin tonight with our Commitment 2026 coverage. Kansas City, Missouri voters will decide on the fate of the city's budget. And on that ballot, question 1 asks voters whether or not to renew the earnings tax. It is a key source of revenue. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson live getting answers on where that money goes and how much money we're talking here, Brian.
Bria, it's a lot of money. $373 million is about the money that we're talking about. This is the pie chart. You can see the right side here, all these different revenue streams, utility taxes, property taxes, use taxes. The left over here, this is the pie chart, 47%. The bulk of it comes from earnings tax. Kansas City spends more per resident than any other city in the metro, about $4,400.
It's a necessary evil, and there's no plan B if the earnings tax doesn't pass.
The earnings tax is the single largest source of revenue for the city. It feeds the city's general fund, which supports everything: roads, bridges, police, fire, you name it.
The only source of revenue that people who live outside the city still have to pay for. And, that's all the more reason for Kansas Cityans to vote yes.
About half of the tax is paid by people who live outside of the city limits but work in Kansas City.
The earnings tax is a horribly regressive income tax.
Patrick Toohey is with the Show Me Institute. It does not take positions on elections or ballot measures.
This is a horrible way to do it because we've basically turned the city into a reverse Robin Hood. We take from the poor to give to the rich.
He says the earnings tax costs the poor more than the rich. Wealthy people don't have W-2 wages, and poor people who are exempt from federal income tax still have to pay the 1%.
They kind of do get a vote, which is they move their families and their businesses outside of the city.
He says the tax pushes people to the suburbs.
When you've got all of labor and all of the Chamber of Commerce together, something's probably a pretty good idea.
Question 1 has strong support and no organized opposition locally. Unions say it's a win for workers and good for everyone who lives or works in Kansas City and benefits from all the services.
Vote yes, April 7th. Support your firefighters. Thank you.
In Kansas City, Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
Now, if the tax doesn't pass, it would be phased out over 10 years. State law currently requires the city to spend 25% of its budget on police, and that voters approve the earnings tax every 5 years. So if the tax ever fails to pass, it cannot be brought back.